Okay, let me do it again. Okay, well here, for starters, we're with Dartavius here, and Dartavius is going to be a part of my YouTube video here. We're doing actually a show on common factors, and you know, here I am, your host, Pastor Vincent Rhodes. We're going to do common factors here, and these are the numbers. We want to know about these numbers here: 6 and 15, 8 and 20, 4 and 10, 5 and 15, and 12 and 16. What we're going to try to find is common factors. Now, the word common means that they're the same. That's what we're talking about when we say the word common. I'm going to let Dartavius is going to hold it for us, and we're going to try our best to get all of it in there so we can see it. And as soon as I can, I'm going to get my ink pen. Then we're going to call up some people. I got my Jolly Green Giant over here. Jaira. And Jaira's going to come up. He's going to do some things first, but not yet. Not yet. Okay, so first of all, we want to look at these two numbers here, 6 and 15. And if you were actually in your book, they wouldn't look like this. They would just really be like this. If you were looking in your book, in your textbook, when it comes to common factors, they would look like this. It was 6 and 15. They want to know between these two numbers, 6 and 15, what is common between these two numbers. Now, let's talk about factors. Factors are any two numbers that we multiply together and we get a product, and the product would be 6. Two numbers that we can multiply together would be 1 times 6 would be 6. And then another one would be 2 times 3 would be what? 6. And then, are there any others, guys?
No.
No.
Okay, so we covered that. So 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we're going to go look at 15, and we're going to find out from 15 what numbers actually will equal 15, or what two factors will be multiplied together to give us the product of 15. So let's go. 1 times 15 is 15. I like starting with the ones because 1 is easy, because anything multiplied times 1 will be itself anyway. So 1 times 15 is 15. Is there any others that we can multiply? Yes.
3 times 5.
3 times 5. Times 5. Let me make that look like a time sign. Is 15. Is there any others?
No.
Sure? Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to outline what the factors of this 6 and this 15 are. For 6, the factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And then for 15, the factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. 1, 3, 5, and 15. Okay, now we're gonna find out what between the 6 and the 15, what is common or what's the same.
1 and 3.
All right, 1 is the same here. 1 is the same. 3 is the same.
And that's it.
Is there any others? Okay.
No.
So we got a 1 up here and a 1 down there. We got a 3 up here and a 3 down there. So we got them the same. Now, I want to know what is the greatest common factor. Now, the greatest common factor is the largest number that we're talking about. So the largest number between the 1 and the 3 is obviously what?
3.
3? Okay, good. So the greatest common factor would be 3. So that's how we find our greatest common factor. And I couldn't write the word greatest common factor in there. So Jaira suggested that I use just the term GCF. I think he found that in a book somewhere. And yeah, I think he knew about that. I'm going to have Jaira come on up, and let's give Jaira a hand. Actually, Jaira is like 12 years old and wears size 15 shoes, guys. He's really a big guy, and he's almost 6 foot tall right now. So anyway, enjoy Jaira.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo woo.
Make him into a star. He'll be a YouTube sensation.
Dun-dun-dun.
Okay. Jaira's looking at the numbers 8 and 20. Turn to the side, Jarvis, so they can see it. He said 1 times 8 is 8, and 2 times 4 is 8. And then what did you say? 1 times what? 20 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. Are there any other factors?
5 times 4.
5 times 4 is 20.
Oh, I got one.
What?
Yeah.
10 times 2.
I already had
I
that.
already got it.
You got 6 times 2? Or 6 times 10 would be, yeah. So now he's gonna list the factors of all of 8. And that's gonna be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, and then he's gonna list the factors of 20. And that's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and of course 20. All right, stand to the side there, Jarvis, so they can see it. All right, everybody sees that on in YouTube land?
Yeah.
All right, good. And then we got the common factors between 8 and 20. What are the common factors between 8 and 20? This guys, let's make this go viral. You guys who are out there looking at this video, well, this video is gonna go viral. I invite you comments. Please be nice on your comments too. But we're gonna make this go viral because I know sometimes people can say some pretty mean things on YouTube land.
Can we do shout outs to other YouTube channels? Our channels?
Yeah.
Can we do shout outs to give this video 3,000
Well, if it helps you learn what these things are. Okay, so Jared just put it up here. Shh, guys, pay attention. Common factors. What are the common factors of 8 and 20? Come on, guys.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, and 4. That means that here, the numbers that are the same between the 8 and the 20 are 1, 2, and 4. And what is the greatest common factor, or the largest number? 4 is the largest number. Thank you very much. Guys, you have some other practices on here that you can do for yourself. And again, Jarvis is going to wave goodbye.
Let me do that one.
All right, stop it.
Oh, yeah, yo.